Hi everyone, welcome to the next lecture on mathematics. In this video, we are going to discuss basic concept of number system and also we are always use the factor. So what is a factor? So first we see what is factor, then we discuss the number system, types of numbers. So what is a factor? Let's suppose we write any number. Let's suppose we write the number 12. So 12 we can write in the form of product of two numbers. Yes, 12 we can write 1 into 12. It is a 12. 12 also we can write 2 into 6. Also the 12 we can write 4 into 3 or 12 equals to 2 into 2 into 3. So here there are the different way to write the 12 in the form of product. So product here the first is 1 into 12. So 12 we can express in the product of 1 and 12. So 1 and 12 is a factor of 12. 12 also you can write in the form of 4 into 3. So 4 and 3 also the factor of 12. So any number if we write in the form of product, that containing number in the product is nothing but factor of the given number. So here 12 को यहाँ पे कौन से factor है 1, 2, 3, 4, next is 6 and 12 itself. So these are the factors of 12. So ये क्या हो गए 12 को product के form में. So 12 you can write product of this number. Now here this number are also dividing 12. तो हर एक factor क्या करेगा अगर if it is a factor of that number so it divide the given number. तो जैसे 12 के factor में 12 you can write 4 into 3. तो 3 and 4 are the factor of 12. So 3 and 4 divide the 12. तो वो दोनों भी 12 को डिवाइड करेंगे. तो एवरी फैक्टर डिवाइडिंग गिवन नंबर. तो ये एक इम्पोर्टेंट कंसेप्ट है. When we are solving the question, that time we are directly using this concept that factor dividing number. Now next is what is prime number. We always see when we are finding the LCM, SCM, there is a write down the prime factorization of the number. So what is a prime number? The number which has only two factors, 1 and itself, is called a prime number. That means the number which is divisible by 1 and itself, because factor divide a number. So this number having only two factor, 1 and itself. So that is the only possible number which divide a given number. So prime number is nothing but the number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Otherwise we can say the number which has only two factor, 1 and itself, that is called the prime number. But in case any number having more than two factor, अगर किसी number को 1 और itself के सिवा कोई other factor है, so then that number is called a composite number. Or in short, you can say the number which is not prime is called a composite number, except 1, because 1 is neither prime नॉट कंपोजिट नंबर. तो 1 एक ऐसा नंबर है कि ना वो प्राइम नंबर है ना वो कंपोजिट नंबर है. तो जो भी नंबर प्राइम नहीं है तो ऑब्वियसली इट हैज द मोर देन वन फैक्टर. जैसे 12 इज नॉट प्राइम बिकॉज 12 हैविंग मोर देन टू फैक्टर्स. 12 को 1 और 12 के सिवा 3, 4, 2 दिस नंबर आर ऑल्सो डिवाइडिंग. सो 12 इज नॉट प्राइम, सो 12 इज ए कंपोजिट नंबर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज arises which is the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. 2 is the smallest prime number because the number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. तो 1 and itself, तो 2 कैसा है वो खुद से ही डिवाइड होता है और 1 से होता है. Other than that there is no number. So 2 is the smallest prime number. और composite number में smallest composite कौन सा आएगा? 2 अगर प्राइम है तो 2 is not a composite. When the number is not prime, that is a composite. Or 1 is not a composite number. So 1, 2 तो नहीं है. 3 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and itself. So the next is 4. 4 is divisible by 2. 4 कैसा है? खुद को छोड़ के दूसरे नंबर से डिविजिबल होता है. 4 के फैक्टर कौन से? 4. If we take the factors of 4, then it is a 1, 2, 4. So there is a more than one factor. So 4 is a composite number. And 4 is the first number of composite. That means it is the start of our composite number. So it is the smallest composite number. So 4 is a smallest composite number. Now in a number system, first type is natural number. So what is natural number? number which is used for counting is called a natural number. For example, let's suppose if I will ask how many students in your class. So if we start the counting of that number of students in your class, so you will start the counting from the 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. How many books are there? So count the number of books. So books counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever I am saying count, so we always start the counting from number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. सो वहाँ पे क्या होता है, जब आप काउंटिंग प्रोसेस के लिए नंबर यूज करते हैं तो कभी भी हम 1.5, 1.6 ऐसे काउंट नहीं करते. अगर स्टूडेंट है तो फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट वी कैन कॉल 1, सेकेंड 2, 1.5, 1.6 इस तरह से हम किसी का भी काउंटिंग नहीं करते. चाहे आप बुक्स काउंट करो, नंबर ऑफ चेयर्स काउंट करो, एनीथिंग, एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, कुछ भी अगर आप काउंट कर रहे हो तो दैट टाइम वी ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 और 1 के बाद में नेक्स्ट आता है 2, 3 in this way. So that's why we are saying the number which is used for counting is called a natural number. Now the next is a whole number. In the set of natural number, if we include the 0, so that become a collection of numbers is nothing but a whole number. मतलब अगर आप नंबर्स 0, 1, 2 एंड सो ऑन ऐसे लेते हो तो 0 जहाँ पे इंक्लूड हो गया नेचुरल नंबर के इसमें, सो वो जो न्यू सेट फॉर्म हो रहा है दैट इज अ होल नंबर. Next is, in this collection, if we include the negative also, for example, 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, and so on. So that is called the integers. So integer कैसे होता है? Just like a whole number, but whole number में सिर्फ पॉजिटिव रहता है. But इन्हीं को अगर आप नेगेटिव भी साइन अप्लाई करोगे तो प्लस और माइनस जहाँ पे आ जाता है तो वो क्या हो जाता है? इंटीजर. Now the next is real number. सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर और रियल नंबर, जो नंबर लाइन्स के ऊपर जितने भी नंबर आते हैं दे आर ऑल आर द रियल नंबर्स. और रियल नंबर्स को हमने दो कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किए थे. फर्स्ट इज रैशनल, द नंबर विच कैन बी राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p by q, where q is not equals to 0, p and q are integer, then we can say the number is a rational number. And if number is not rational, then it is called an irrational number. That we have already discussed in the previous video. So we are not going into detail of this two types. So इन्हीं दोनों को मिला के क्या बनेगा? रियल नंबर. थैंक यू. लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब.